Today we are thrilled to bring you into the heart of the residence, the kitchen, a space that our client envisioned as a seamless extension of the sophisticated ambience established in the dining area, yet infused with its own unique character and functionality. Designed to meet the client's desire for a space that exudes understated luxury and refined sophistication, this kitchen is a masterclass in balancing elegance and practicality. The journey begins with the arched granite Nook, a perfect blend of artistry and craftsmanship that echoes the natural warmth of the fluted wooden panels in the dining space. The curved design, handcrafted from paneled slabs of African dream gold granite, is flanked by teak wood and features a retractable smart power socket neatly carved into the granite rock.
Molly, this art granite Nook is a masterpiece. What inspired this design, and how did you manage to combine such craftsmanship and artistry for this space?
Thank you for that question, Stella. When we did the interiors for the space, this part was not actually on the plan.
Wow.
Yes. So when we're done with the dining space and we're coming to the kitchen space, our client said that she wanted something that would break the space, sort of make a demarcation from the dining space to the kitchen space. So we had to come up with a design that sort of breaks the floor from the ceiling to the floor.
Right.
Yes, from the dining space to the kitchen space, hence coming up with this arc-shaped Nook. The arc from the ceiling down to this countertop. And if you look even at the height of this countertop, it's a bit high. We're trying to break the space so that people do not see much of what is happening behind the kitchen. Yes.
Wow, that's a perfect way of then hiding the activity in the kitchen. You then have to raise the Nook.
Yes.
I see what you did there.
The trio pendant lights above adds a touch of sophistication with polished golden metal accents that complement the warm tones of the granite and teak wood. As we move through the kitchen, the carved theme continues, creating an oval-shaped space that's both elegant and inviting.
So I see that this kitchen space is got a lot of curved surfaces. I'm assuming this was intentional. Why the curved designs?
Indeed, it was intentional. The theme that we're running with was a biophilic design for a request from our client. Our client loves nature, so we wanted to incorporate nature in our designs. Hence, the curved designs. From the dining space, we've got a curved table. Right. You come to the space, the Nook is curved. On the ceiling again, it's caved. We go to the kitchen island, it's caved again.
Right.
We wanted to bring outdoors, indoors.
And you know what, come to think of it, hey, I've never really thought of the outdoors being more curve-centered. We don't have square trees, we don't have rectangular-shaped animals or cornered animals. I love how you managed to take that and incorporate it into a kitchen design for your client.
The stunning abstract portrait depicting a coffee or latte art adds a touch of whimsy, while the African dream gold granite countertop and teak wood cabinetry provides ample storage and counter space.
Still on this space, the breakfast Nook, I see that I would love to believe, thoughtfully placed an art piece across this breakfast Nook. But help us understand, number one, why this particular positioning for this art piece? And number two, why this particular art piece?
Thank you for that question, Stay. This piece is speaking to what will be happening here. It's a breakfast nook. Besides having your cereal, you can also choose to say, I'm rushing. You just want to have a cup of coffee.
Right.
You put your hot water, your milk, and then you put lastly your coffee, and you come here and you're stirring your coffee. That's the picture there.
You know what? I see it now. It's now so clear as day. The milk, I see the milk.
Yes.
I see the undissolved coffee granules.
Yes.
Oh wow, I would not have gotten this correct if you asked me what that was. I'm sure your client is really enjoying this breakfast nook space.
Our client cannot get enough of the space. Actually, they've nicknamed the space Padombo.
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 Why is that?
There's a story behind that. So what they normally do after dinner, or when all the kids have gone to sleep, they sometimes come to the space, they sit, and they start discussing new ideas, stirring up new ideas. Still the same concept of stirring up
Ideas. Literally Padombo because of this beautiful granite.
Yes, indeed.
I love it.
The oval shape of one side of the kitchen, with its multiple tall windows flanked by brick, allows maximum light into the space, while the teak wood cabinetry and African dream gold countertop adds warmth and sophistication.
Molly, the natural light in this kitchen is incredible. It's like a warm hug. How did you achieve this?
Oh, thank you, Stan. The oval shape of the kitchen allows for multiple windows, which bring in an abundance of natural light. It's a beautiful way to connect the indoors with the outdoors and creates a sense of airiness in the space. And to complement that also, we also have got a double door there.
Wait a minute. Is that a double door?
Yes.
I'm here thinking that's another window because I was going to ask you about it. Please do explain. Double door?
It's a double door in the kitchen that connects the indoors and the outdoors.
All right.
It's more like an extension, extending the kitchen outdoor into the courtyard.
Into the courtyard. So you can then actually entertain people in the courtyard, but then still have them interact with the indoors.
Yes.
I love how you managed to incorporate that door so that it's able to open up your kitchen space to your courtyard.
Yes. The kitchen island, with its semicircular African dream gold granite surface, seems to flow effortlessly from the dining space, creating a sense of continuity between the two spaces. The combination of gold and stainless steel in the prep bowl adds a touch of elegance, while the ceramic glass cooktops and gas hobs provide optimum functionality, and a circular themed pendant light that adds a touch of magic to the space.
Moving on to the heart of the kitchen, at least for me, I'll say, the kitchen island.
Oh yes.
Tell us more about this island. I see there are a lot of elements on there, the stoves, the drawers. Fill us in. What inspired that design?
We wanted to make sure that the island is the central hub of the kitchen. That's where all the activity in the kitchen happens.
Right.
Yes. We've got 2 stoves there, the glass hob there, and we also have got the gas one, and we also have got the preparation bowl and plenty of storage space.
Right.
Underneath the island, it's all storage space.
Wow.
Yes.
Talk of the pots, the spices, we can fit them all under the island.
Yes.
And I see there's a lot of preparatory space on top.
Quite a lot. We can prepare for the whole village.
For the whole village.
Yes.
So I'm thinking with a 4-plate induction hob and an extra 4-plate gas hob with 2 ovens. Would your client mind having us over for Christmas?
I'll put a word for you. I don't think she minds.
Thank you for that one. I'll hold you to that one, Molly.
The The clever design continues with the scullery and overflow kitchen, which features double basin sink and pantry for kitchen supplies, expanded storage.
You indeed have taken us through a beautiful experience of this kitchen that you designed for your client. From this curved breakfast nook to this thought-provoking coffee swirl art piece that I thought was something else which I'll not mention, to the massive kitchen island with 2 options for stoves. You have created a space that has beautiful lighting that just hugs you and allows for maximum aeration. You even went a step further to create an opening. That double door that leads into the courtyard was a wow factor for me. You managed to create an extended kitchen into the courtyard that allows your clients' visitors to experience the indoors whilst outdoors, and vice versa. I mean, mind-blowing. But I'm thinking, hey, what is a kitchen without a scullery? And you did incorporate one. Please tell us about your scullery. How did you envision it working for your client?
Yes. After having designed such a massive kitchen like this, there was need for us to have a scullery space. Yeah. Imagine having cooked for the whole village. Right. You need space to clean up. And the design for the space was clutter-free and minimalistic. Nothing on the countertops. Right. So after cooking, you need to take all your things to the scullery. We've got a double sink there. Also, I've got a dishwasher there. We also have got a washing machine in the scullery. Yes. So that's why you do all your cleaning for all the dishes, and you just bring them in here to put them in the cabinets. And beside the scullery, from the scullery, we also have got the
Pantry.
The pantry. Yes, we've got a pantry. If you looked at this design, we do not have a refrigerator or a...
I was looking for the deep freezer.
Yes.
For the meat for those brides.
Yes. It's hidden in the pantry. Yes.
Wow.
And all the food supplies.
Tucked away in the pantry.
Tucked away in the pantry.
You know what? I am really shocked at this point, because here I am thinking it's just a scullery, but then you bring in this whole dimension of a pantry in there as well.
Yes.
Talk of maximum utilization of space.
Indeed.
I really feel that you did a good job for your client, and I'm sure she must be enjoying her massive kitchen.
It's a timeless design, and the client can't get enough of it.
I can only imagine.
Throughout the kitchen, I've aimed to create a sense of flow and harmony, with each element working together to create a space that's both beautiful and functional.